Hello and welcome to our 30 tips in 30 days. Tip number 8 on the way. This is when should you use the handbrake on your driving test. This can be a confusing subject for a lot of people. So let's try and clarify it if we can. So first of all, when should you use your handbrake? To give you a broad description of when you should use it, you use it when necessary. This is a little vague, however, so we'll get into a bit more detail. It is necessary when you stop on a hill or an incline, when you get delayed in traffic or at a junction. I love the phrase, when a pause turns into a wait. So if you stop at a junction and there's no obvious hill, you're not going to roll back, you can control your car properly, and it's only a minor pause, well then you don't need the handbrake. However, if that pause turns into a longer wait and you are delayed, applying the handbrake is a good idea. You also apply the handbrake when you park the car. This would be on your maneuvers or any time you do park the car on your driving test. Put your handbrake on, put your car into neutral, knock off the signal if it's on, and that way everything is back to where it should be for when you go to move off again. Let's take a look at why you use the handbrake. It always helps to know why you're doing something. It makes sure the car won't roll when parked, which is always important. It stops the car from rolling back at junctions, which can get you a grade 3 error on a driving test, apart from the danger aspect at all. And it prevents the car from moving excessively in the event of a collision. So if you are, God forbid, rear-ended, it doesn't stop the car from moving fully, but it won't move half as far or as fast as it would without a handbrake. And finally, the driving test. It's essential for the hill start on the driving test. You use it when delayed. Again, the pause turns into a wait, so you would use the handbrake to hold yourself steady. It also means you can get ready properly. Your leg can go onto the gas and your clutch can come nearly to bite. So you can move away quicker in a manual car when your handbrake is on. You will take that opportunity faster. When parked, of course, when you pull in to do your reverse or your turnabout, or if you're parking at the end of your test, make sure to put it on. And make sure you can use your handbrake correctly. There are a variety of types of handbrake now. The standard traditional handbrake, as you will see in the picture here. But there are also all types of electronic handbrakes, and a lot of them work very differently. So make sure you're familiar with the handbrake in your car or your driving instructor's car, and you can use it properly and use it when necessary. Thanks for watching the video. Check out our website, PassFirstTime.ie, for lots more tips on how to pass your driving test. It's on special offer until the end of January. All the best with your test. We have another tip coming your way tomorrow. So to make sure you don't miss it, please like, subscribe, click the bell, and we'll see you in tomorrow's tip.